Good morning, rockers. I just wanted to show you my 52-inch brass spring that I bought. It came from England and it's the original Zube Tube, the ultimate cosmic sound machine. This thing cost me about 50 bucks and you can do some pretty strange sound effects with it. You can pluck it with your finger in this hole. But I saw DUB KASM use this spring because it's particularly long. It's the same kind of spring that you would see in a reverb unit, only much shorter. So if you have a reverb unit in your amplifier, maybe it's a few of these springs, but short. So maybe 2 in a row, or even 3 in a row, possibly 4 in a row if it's a luxury reverb unit, but very short, like 30 centimeters, maybe maximum 40 centimeters. This spring is very long, and when I received it, one end was kind of cracked. What you can really see here is it consists of 2 plastic cups, and these are not even unusual cups. These are normal drinking cups. It's the Solo Cup company. It says it on the bottom. It's a normal 9-ounce plastic cup. And so there's one on each end. There's a very nice spring here. And on the other end is another cup. What I want to do is I want to make something more versatile. And so I bought this 1 meter tube. And unfortunately, this 1 meter tube measures the outside diameter, not the inside one. So both of these tubes are the exact same size. What I want is to be able to take this tube and to hit it with a drumstick to get reverb sounds. Plus I want to amplify the sounds that I can get from the spring. So I'm going to convert the spring from this tube, the original Zube Tube ultimate cosmic sound machine, and I'm going to put it into this plastic container along with other accessories which will allow me to install a preamplifier and even a jack, or a jack in and a jack out, so that I get power in and out with the microphone, picking up the sound of the vibrations. In order to do it, I have to take the spring out of the paper roll and put it into this plastic tube. The size is roughly the same, but we're going to adjust a couple of little things to make it into a working reverb unit. When it's finished, it'll basically look the same, but the parts that we're going to use are going to be much more versatile and much more robust. So we can be more confident about shaking the tube or hitting it with a drumstick and not being nervous about damaging the cardboard tube that it came in. Well, one cup is in good condition. The other cup was cracked, so I pushed it down into here and expect to try to get it down here somewhere. I think I need a long stick or something to push it out the other end. Here it comes. I'll take this part off. Okay. This plastic stopper. This is the Zube Tube, believe it or not, just inside a plastic container. A cardboard container. Cardboard is nice because it kind of sounds like wood. It's a woody sound or a soft sound. I imagine the plastic will sound more spacey, more high pitched with more treble. How are we going to do this exactly? I think I need a long stick. Of the cup. I'm going to push the other cup down the end. fits very well in the bottom here. I'll probably use some instant glue to hold that in place. And the other side.